Yeah. It's big country. Huh. It's a struggle here, nigga, let me make it clear. Nigga, while I sit back and sip my motherfucking beer, pop a couple bars, have a nigga feeling right. Call your girl, ask her if she wanna fucking chill tonight. Cause I be sipping lean with my motherfucking Sprite. Texas where we at, fucking swinging in the other lane, swinging in the other lane, gripping on some wood grain. Nigga ask me why I do that, it's a hood thing. When I come through your city, make it fucking rain. In fucking Texas, got it snowing in the summer, man. Big country going on this fucking shit. Big country got 30 rounds to your ass, bitch. Throwed off in the booth, spit the motherfucking truth. Nigga, this is what I do. Niggas don't think cause I'm white I can't get with it. But I got a 9 miller, nigga know I'm coming with it. And I don't even need a chopper to lay your shit down. Take fucking 13 shots with my 9 and my crown. While I'm sipping, nigga swerving down 4-5. Hoping the one-timers don't get me cause I ain't going back. Ain't going back to fucking struggling shit. Never seen the fucking sell and I don't plan on it, bitch. I'ma move with the work, move with the work. Got your girl on my dick, yeah, she grew with the twerk. Fuck with me, nigga, cold head, gon' test it. Motherfucking nigga, and I'm the best and you ain't less, bitch. This ain't even shit that's wrote down. This is shit that's on my mind. This is what I fucking think about. I see demons in my dreams. I'm dying in my dreams. Nigga, gruesome fucking scenes. Gruesome fucking scene, cause I buried many motherfuckers. Niggas cucking with big country. Yo mama is a clucker. Let me think about this shit. Been burying motherfuckers since I was 10 years old and shit. Working at the cemetery. Think I fucking live there. Talk to a motherfucking ghost that fucking live there. Nigga, let me get it, motherfucking. Let me get the throne. Nigga coming through at your motherfucking dome. I ain't dissing no nigga in the motherfucking hood. I'm just trying to let y'all know, nigga, I'm real good. I'm real good. I think I might be the greatest of all time. I might be in the hood, nigga, flipping down, sipping kilos. Where the fuck my fucking niggas at? Where the fuck you hiding at is where the fuck we riding at. Pussy nigga got the fucking 4-5 sliding back. Nigga going to your head, hollow tips you hiding at. Just let you fucking know, country coming soon, ho. Flow fucking killer, shout out my fucking niggas, bro. We in that bitch, son. You already know. Big country, nigga, coming up. Yeah, we out this bitch.